Hello, now we will see how to create a contractor flow. So first of all, we know we created two types of BOQ. One is a labor BOQ and other is a material BOQ. So using labor BOQ, we will proceed to contractor flow. So first step in contractor flow is to create a service indent. So to create a service indent, go to service indent tab, and here are two buttons, with BOQ and without BOQ. So click on the with BOQ button. So you have to select your project sub project and type of that indent, that means labor or labor plus material or both. Here I will select a labor. After that, click on BOQ button. So you will get all the BOQs approved from your project plan. So you can check the BOQs that you want, and after that simply click on add. So the labels from your BOQ gets added in your indent. So you have to fill up all the mandatory fields like quantity, description, and check the checkbox. And finally, you have to submit the service indent. After service indent is submitted, you have to approve it. After approval, you get one tab, contractor. In this tab, you will see one due date field, which is till when you want this order. So, and after that, there is one contractor button. So, when you click on that button, then you will see one pop-up, which is a list of all contractors registered in our system. So you can check that contractors to float your RFQ. So from these contractors you want the quotation, then check the quotation, check the contractors here. After contractors are selected, then simply click on this send button. So your RFQ gets floated to that particular contractors, and that contractors will fill the quotation. So this is a role of employee. Now the contractor roles is here. So we have to log in as a contractor. So again, portal is same, only the login is different. Here I will log in of contractor. So he is one of the contractor to whom I floated the RFQ. So here are some tiles like service indent, quotation, work order, job card. So in service indent section, we will get our indent. This is our indent, and here is one create quotation button. So after clicking on this button, you will see all the details of that RFQ. So here, what should contractor will do? So he will put the rate against that labor and simply click on a submit button to submit the quotation. So this is for one supplier. Like this, all the supplier will submit their quotation and employee will get that quotation. So again, we will go to employee login and see how the quotations gets visible. So in contract tab, you will see one compare quotation tab. So click on that tab and you will get the indents which you are floated and received the quotation. So here I will select a 1472 number service indent. So for this service indent, I floated the RFQ for 5 contractors and I get back the quotation by 5 contractors. So here is the same thing, that system will suggesting one quotation that is given in a purple eye icon, and there is one green eye icon which is finalized the quotation. So system is suggesting the quotation based on the ratings of that contractor and taxes, all the amount calculation. So this is all about system generated system suggesting quotation. And after that, here you can't see a name of any contractor. Here you can see that quotation 1, quotation 2, quotation 3, quotation 5, but you can't see the name of any contractor. So we can say that it is a unbiased vendor selection process. So after that, you have to finalize one of the quotation from these according to your rate and ratings. After that, the next step is to create a work order. Once your quotation is finalized, you can able to create a work order. So to create work order, go to work order section. After that, select project sub project. Select a item type, that is based on square feet based or item based. Select a start date, and you can select a quotation from here. So here I will open a created work order. So like this you will get the work order based on a rate you finalized. So after that you have to approve this work order, and once your work order is approved, the next step is to issue the material from your inventory. So we go to create a issue request. So in issue request you have to mention a project sub project. Select a store, from which store you want a material. Select your work order based on your sub project. Select the activity, and after clicking on plus icon you will see the all materials available in inventory. So here you can mention what how much quantity you are required. So here I will mention some 30 quantities. Here I will mention some 5 quantities, and click on this checkbox. After clicking your and clicking on your submit button, your issue request gets created. So after issue request is created, you have to create a goods issue note. That means actual issue. So to create a goods issue note, you can go to this plus icon, and you can see here one is one button issue request. So click on that issue request what you created. So here you can mention actual issue quantity. Here I will mention 10 quantities. Here I will mention the 3 quantities. After that, click on a submit button. So your GIN, that means goods issue note, is created. So like this you can create a multiple GIN of one issue request until and unless your material quantity gets 0. So in this way you can create a work order and then issue the material from inventory. So this is all about contractor flow, or you can say that a labor flow. There is one more functionality in contract flow, that is a job card creation based on our work order. So this functionality we will see in our another video. Thank you.